Meaning of improvident.
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 Improvident. The word improvident is an adjective that describes someone who does not plan ahead, or acts without consideration for the future. This can manifest in various ways, such as a lack of financial savings or investments, poor decision-making in terms of long-term goals, or neglecting to take precautions against potential risks. Someone who is improvident may find themselves in difficult circumstances in the future, with limited resources and options available to them. It is important to be mindful of one's actions and decisions, and to make thoughtful choices that prioritize both present and future needs.